Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we're gonna do another live trading session today, and just looking at how the market has started, it might be an easy one. We're clearly trending up. I've been trending up all night. We just came back to the 21 EMA. Man, any push up right now, I'm going with it. The market opens in 3 minutes, so as normal, I'll come in with no bias. I just read the price chart. Prices stayed above the 21 EMA all night. Now we're making all-time new highs, so that could be a little scary, but when you got a strong looking trend, you just go with it. All right, and on a strong trend, you actually don't have to have a particular setup. Like normally I'll be looking for a second entry long or higher low. When you really have a strong trend, it's kind of every pullback, because the pullbacks will be shallow because the trend is so strong. Now this hasn't proven to be a strong trend yet, but let me just point out, this is our first time closing through the 21 EMA. So as far as my market cycle goes, I'm still looking for a trend up. This will be the first trend break, retest to new high. So I'm still looking for prices to try to test to come higher than here at least one time, So that's what we're looking at. We got 2 minutes to go. We'll see how this plays out. So I like my countdown. Reminds me of basketball. Tip off time. All right, so 15 seconds. We're gonna tip off. So by the way, too, we just made a push down. This candle broke higher. That's your first entry. All right, I would love for this one to break lower and then shoot back higher. 2 seconds, which it did. Broke lower. That one broke lower. This one broke lower. Now if we close higher than the 21 EMA, that's close enough. Oh, no it ain't. No it ain't. Let me stop being so hasty here. What would be cool now is if we actually had a higher low situation come up. Let me get that clock out so I can see the ticker. All right, we come higher. This is a low. This would be a higher low. We break higher than 21 EMA. It would be go time. Looking like there's some, it's in a fight right there. Doji. So we wait. We don't want to get knocked in by a tick and get trapped here. You know, this was a big uptrend through the night, so it may pull back. You know, we may have a significant pullback here, but we definitely first have our trend up, trend break now. That's clear. Okay, we got a little level here that is stalling at. We actually now have our push down, first entry, push down. This candle can break. Get ready. Couldn't do it. Okay, we broke it. There we go.
Order filled.
We're gonna move this way up. We're expecting definitely to come test this new high here. And man, I wish I could have got in here. I hesitated a little too long on that. And if we measure this leg, which I don't think it'd be something like this, but it'd be something like that. Wishful thinking. But the first target is just to get here, test this high, test this last high. I gotta go do a meeting. I'll be right back.
Stop filled.
Huh, that didn't work out, huh? But see, I'm pretty sure even if I had entered right here, still would have came and got me, or we'd be barely alive right now. But now I see two legs back. See this red row here, push up, another red row, and we're bouncing at that same spot again. With a strong candle, I will go again. Just off the two legs back. From this side too is also a push down, first entry, push down, second entry long. Just count from right here. But here, the overall you see, but look like we got a little bit more falling to do. You may not have noticed the line I'll keep talking about right through here. We keep bouncing there. That's like the breakout line. If it breaks through here, it's probably gonna fall. But right now you gotta be careful because we're under the 21 EMA. And this one attempted to go higher here and did not make it. So gotta be careful through here. Gotta be careful through here. Right now we're under the 21 EMA. So gotta kind of change our mindset. We've trended up, true enough. I'm looking for a trend break retest, true enough, but what's the market? The market is showing me that it's kind of hitting resistance up here. Okay, we got another candle breaking higher, and we done held here again. 1, 2, 3 touches. But if we get that falling hammer, I'll tell you, we're under the 21 EMA now. If we get a falling hammer, this will actually be a wifey trade. Red, green, red. We got the high here, lower high, right there. It's tough sledding here. Worst case, we could be in a little range, starting up a little range here. Also, too. These candles are small, you know. We ain't seeing no big traction. I'm not feeling the momentum in the market. I ain't feeling no volume going. Okay. See a little Momo there, a little strength there. Again, we've touched this line 1, 2, 3 times. I can see one attempt to go lower, pushed up, second attempt to go lower. So I have to judge right here. I mean, I'm making cases for both ways, right? That's the hard part of trading, you know. a safe thing would be to do nothing until you have more price action that gives you the, I know what's happening for certain, right? You know what I'm saying? Right now, I like this though. I like that strong push, but it's got to close. Nah, I don't know what's going on. Ain't no reason to lie to myself. You know, now if that candle had a close strong, that would have been the momentum look I was looking for, because, you know, the market cycle is what I'm trying to catch. And so I know we had a nice leg up. This is clearly a trend break, 2 attempts lower. So I want to go long due to the market cycle. But what's currently happening? Currently, we are under that 21 EMA. You know, and any little tip above it, keep getting shot down. So we're probably ranging, because I have information. You know what I'm saying? I got price action for both directions. We're probably in a range. The EMA is straight across. Starting to look like a roller coaster. Okay. And it ain't big enough to play it as a range. So you just gotta sit right now. We have to get more price action. What would be a sign for me is if we finally break this level here, or a huge strong candle that finally gets above that 21 EMA that tells me that we about to come higher and test this high right here. Cause we've tried to test it once here already and it didn't make it. And that alone could be a sign. Like if this candle turns into a huge candle down, see, look, we got evidence in both directions, man. We don't have enough price action to truly call it. And you know, when you trade like that, you got to you want some votes, right? I want votes to say what I should do. Now I got a big leg up here. That's 1 vote. I got 2 attempts to go short. That's 2 votes. So if I was to get a setup, maybe I have something. This could be a low, push up, higher low. If we get a nice strong candle that breaks higher, we'll see. We ain't getting but that EMA, y'all. Again, we've already made all-time new highs. All right. I mean, there's a lot of room to the bottom. There's a lot of room to the bottom. If this candle breaks this level, I forgot about that. This candle breaks this level, have to go short. Now, if it can't break the level, that'd be a clear sign. That'd be like 1, 2, 3. That'd be 4 touches, man. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. We are in a range. So look, let me make this bigger maybe. This is a low. This red down here is a low. Push up, came back. This is a higher low right here. If this candle breaks, closes, man, especially if it closes higher than this one. But if it closes up higher than here, higher than the 21 EMA, like that, now we got some. Well, this has to be a good signal candle though. So this goes in the signal candle. Signal candle, you want it to close in the 3rd top tier, which this one is getting close. I'm gonna get my finger on the button. This one might close right. I need a little bit more. Yeah, now right here. Okay.
Order filled.
That's a candle. All right. So this is a higher low off the 21 EMA. and we're expecting, again, another leg of that distance. I ain't gonna draw it this time because that might have been bad luck last time. Now let me draw it again so I can put my target in the right spot. I mean, we've had several attempts lower. We'll see what happens. Oh, so we're trying to stay alive here. We'll see.
Stop filled.
Man, we can't catch a run here. All right, we back above again. Looking very rangy. Now I'm really feeling like we tried to go higher. 1, 2, 3 times. We cannot get higher. And this is a push up, first entry push up. This is a second entry short. That's failing. Oh, we broke under that line. But look, it came right back. Yep, broke that line I was talking about, but it did not hold, so. So what's the price action telling us? Telling us that we're in some sort of a range. Yeah, it looked like we coming, that's moving to the downside. tough to say. It's tough to say. Looking at the size of the bars, it's a lot more momentum going short.
Order
On
filled.
this second entry short. Where's my stress ball at? Keep on pushing. That's pretty good close. So again, like I said, we covered off the all-time new highs. So the bottom is who knows where we could come. We definitely could come all the way down to here, down to 60, 63 for sure. That's the first target. Let's just hope we get out of risk here. Just get up our 3-4 points. Show us some strength. We definitely want to break and close through this level right here. All right, so we made the right call there. Let's stay back, give price action a little time. Hopefully we get a good drop here. There we go. I'm gonna lock in 2 points, or at least a point. All right, so got 2 points locked in at least. We get 1 win on this day. All right, give me another push down, give me another red break lower. Would be awesome. There we go, push down. Push down at the hole. Give me a chance to add on. Oh, it's trying to come for us. Oh, if this candle was to push down really, really strong, that wouldn't be a bad place to add on. Red, there we go. There we go. Push down, push down, push down. Push down. Yeah, I kind of saw this. Two attempts higher. Two legs back. Rejection. See if that EMA save us. Nope.
Stop filled.
Good trade. So, hey, that's the day. I mean, we lost one. See, we went to break even on one. Yep. This one we lost. You know, I bet if I entered right, this candle just, I would have went if I had entered here when it first broke higher at 80.50, my stop would have been 77.50. I would survive that first trade. Yep. I would have survived that first trade. So, but I lost that first trade. All right, then we broke even here. And if I wasn't in a meeting, I would have locked in a point or two. So we would have made some money there. And then we took the, you know, I kind of saw this as a, look at this, one leg back, down, two legs back. Once we broke back under the 21 EMA, you know, that's really more two legs back. I could call it a second entry short. It actually just looks like two legs back though, for a nice little, you know, hey, nice win, you know, decent win. 2 points. Could have got 5. I saw 5, you know, but you're always going to give something back. But I mean, 2-point win there, that's okay, you know. So I lost 3 here though, so we're actually still down on the day, down a point. Gotta live with it, right? Took my 3 shots. You don't win every day. Today we got a losing day. Now I could have, you know, when I was up 6, I could have closed it and actually would have had a profitable day. But I was hoping that I was gonna get a drop and be able to add on to have a huge day. So that's trading. You know, it didn't work out that way today. Also, look, if I had this thought to move back up to break even, hey, I would have gave 2 points back. Would have just gave it back. So, you know, once you lock in, you know, be happy. I'm happy with that. You know, I was down 3 points. Now I'm only down 1 point. Hey, also could have locked in 3. You know, when I locked in 2 points, I was up 5 or 6. I actually could have locked in 3 to get back to an even day. So hindsight, right? Hindsight. Maybe that's what I should have done. All right, but that's the day. That's the day. we live to trade another day. You know, the market was playing. Look, this is basically a range. I mean, let's see what we can see here with it now. I mean, this is basically a range. This is basically a range. We had a breakout that failed. Prices are back in the range. We're probably gonna break out the top and fail, then come back. I don't know. Who knows, right? But that's what we basically have here. We basically have a range, and prices have, you know, push back up into it again. Now, if it come back out strong, you might get another leg. Might get another leg like so. Yeah. Something like that. Let's see. All right. Well, hey, if you guys enjoyed this one, again, hit that like button. You know, I'll try to squeeze these in more often. Show some live trading. And till next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.